friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narina Kawal and I am an affiliate marketer. I'm helping the people how they can make money online. So in today's video, I will explain you how you can make money with Google. So if you have spare time like half an hour, you just need to give the time on Google. Just search, copy and paste. That's it. You can earn up to $1,000. So you need to listen carefully. I will show you how you can do it. So first of all, you can see this is a Google. You need to type here Google News. Click on first option, news.google.com. So here is you are seeing about Google News. This is basically newspaper. So you can see this is today and all news, right? Different articles. You can see. So what you need to do, you need to select your interest. Like you can select business and you can select entertainment. Right, so you can see here is different articles. So you can first you need to select your interest. You can choose sport if you are interested in sport. So what you need to do, you need to select a article, right? So I will show you. For example, I'm choosing health. So here you can see this is timing 1 hour ago, and you can see these are different articles about health. So I will choose you can say healthcare, nutrition or fitness. I will choose fitness, right? So once again, how exercise help you have a sense of purpose, and personal training should be declared an essential service. Okay, so I choose the personal training should be declared an essential service. So you can read this article, right? So what you need to do, I will explain you 1 minute. Scroll down and this is a article about the health. So you can see what you need to do, you need to select this article, right? So last year, for example, I'm just giving you example how you can do it, right? First you need to go Google, and secondly you need to go Google News and select your interest like health and fitness, science, technology, business, and here we go. I choose health and this is article. I need to copy this article and we will go to the website. I will show you a website. You need to go on spinpot.com and here you need to paste this text, right? So what you need to do, like you can rewritten the text, right? For example, I'm choosing you start from here to this, right? So copy this and I'm rewriting the text, right? So what you need to do, for example, he start things off by mocking the supplements industry to make the spices you buy. So you need to change the synonyms, like you can use in your own words. So you can use in your own words, like first you need to read the paragraph, right? And just write into your own words, you can go to MS Word, and here you can search the synonyms of word. Like you can say before, so you can say ago, right? So happen, so you can it could be, so very mean strongly, goal, and aim, you can use this word aim. So if you have problem to synonym, you can also search the synonym from Google. So I hope you understand about this article. You just need to write it in your own words, right? So again, if you don't know how to write, you just Google it, and you can also go to MS Word and just click the word, and you can see and select the word, and you can see there is option, there should be option in MS Word synonym. So you just change the synonym, and that's it. Rewritten the text, right? So what you need to do, you need to, I'm not a robot, right? So this is your rewritten paragraph, right? So once again, this is an article from news, so you just copy it and change into your own words, right? So you can choose plan, instead of plan you can say aim or thinking, right? So you just need to put in your own words and rewritten text. So once again, I'm not a robot, so I will show you where you can go, which side you need to go and paste the text, and they will pay you $1 for one word, right? So I will show you a site where you need to go to paste this paragraph, right? So you need to go eatingwell.com. You can see, so basically this website, here you will paste your paragraph, right, your article. So you need to go on writer guidelines. Once you go in explore, you will see there is writer guidelines, and if you cannot find, you just simply go down and click on to contact us, then you will see writer guidelines. So first of all, who is Eating Well? So Eating Well is only national food magazine that focus exclusively on eating healthfully. So what you need to do, you just simply rewrite your paragraph and information, right? And you need to send email, that's it, right? So you can see here, this is the email, and put the subject here, submission, and here you can paste your paragraph, right, which is you write in spinpot.com. So and once your paragraph or article is approved, they will pay you, right? So how much it depends on different articles. Some articles they are paying $1 for one word, right? So it's depend on your article. So once your article is approved, they will again contact with you and ask you about your payable account. If you have no payable account, you just simply ask them about your business account. So I will show you another website. The second website is sierraclub.com. So what you need to do, you need to go in sierraclub.com, and you can join and you can log in if you have account. So first you need to do, go back into the Google News and select the sport and technology article, right? Once again, so here you can select any of article, right? So for example, I'm choosing this article. So what you need to do again, so here Apple Music lossless requires wired headphone. So what you need to do, you choose the article here from here. I'm just giving you example, right? So copy it, go to spinpot.com. Once again, paste it here, and here we go. You need to rewrite your paragraph, right? So you need to write paragraph in your own words. So again, copy all the paragraph, right? I'm just giving you example. So you just need to write the article in your own words, and from science and technology, select the article and go to spinpot.com and rewritten your text in your own words. If you have problem, just go to MS Word, change the synonyms, and here we go. So for this we have a site. This is a sierraclub.com. So what you need to do, you need to go in down, you can see here. So basically you can contact us, right? And simply I'm just giving you example. So once again, so you can choose here, right? So again, submission, subject is submission, and here we go. Paste your article here and send them email, right? So give them your information about first name and second name and last name. And if your article is approved, they will ask you about your account detail. Once again, if you have no payable, you just need to give your bank account information where they will transfer your money, right? So this is second website. And once again, go to Google News, select the topic, and this side is for technology and science, Sierra Club. So what you need to do, you just need to take a search about how this work. First read the instruction and submit your article. That's it. So I will show you another website where you can submit your article. So let's move on. So the third website is dailyjstor.org. Here you can select any of article from Google News. Once again, any of articles. So you need to choose your article, copy and paste in spinpot.com and rewrite in your own words. And once again, if you have problem to rewrite in your own words, use Microsoft Word and change the synonyms and article in your own words. Make new article, right? So it's look like a brand new article. So you need to go jstor.com and .org. So what you need to do, you need to see here on bottom, you can go here, contact the editor, right? So you can contact here, and simply what you need to do, fill out this form, and they will email them like another two website. They will pay you 31 cent, only one word, right? So first again, read the instruction guidelines and email them to your article. And if you have no payable account, just give them your bank account, so they will pay you. So this is a low commission from other two website. They are paying only 31 cent from one word. The other two website, before I explain, they are paying you $1 for one word, right? So this is great side hustle. If you have only 30 minutes in every day, to rewrite your paragraph article in your own words and paste into these website and make money online. So hopefully you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to know what I'm doing, just go down description below and take the 15 days challenge and start learn about the system, how the system is work, and hopefully you will be able to make your own online business and make your passive income. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.